Hello everybody, today we are going to install WordPress on a Mac computer. It is almost the same way when you install it on the PC. Stay tuned! So now we are back. How do you install WordPress on a Macintosh? The first thing you need to have is a software called MAMP, M-A-M-P. If it is for Windows, it is called WAMP. It's called WAMP. So you have to install it, or actually download it first. And this I have already done. So we go to my desktop, where I have MAMP Pro installed, as you can see here. I double click on it and click continue, 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 accept, and continue again. And when you have read all the things you need to know or not to know, you click continue, and then I have to put in my password to install it, and that was wrong. Let me see, I will try again. So this time I was successful. I have several computers, so it's so easy to mix up all the passwords you have. Alright, we are now installing the file. When you're installing MAMP, you also get MAMP Pro. You don't need to have MAMP Pro. You can install that later. So you only need to have MAMP, and MAMP is a free software for Macintosh or Apple, whatever you want to call it. And also later we have to download WordPress. I have already done that too, but I will show you where you can do that. Now it's installed. So what will we do the next? Well, the next thing is to start MAMP. Not Pro as you see here, but MAMP. Uncheck here and just launch MAMP. You then have to start servers, because MAMP starts servers on your computer, because this time we want to install MAMP and WordPress locally on our Macintosh, or my Macintosh in this case. Here you can see something you need for later. You have the username and the password. Both are root. So the next thing we are going to do is to go to this PHP, my admin page. Here we have to go to databases and create a database. For example, WordPress. I don't want to have a capital letter there, I will have a small. So, and create. When we have done that, we have to find a file on your computer, and you will find under applications you have MAMP and MAMP Pro. We forget MAMP Pro. We will open MAMP here, and here you find a file called htdocs. Here you have to install WordPress. So what are we going to do? We take WordPress, as you can see here. Now it's opened. I just take the WordPress, all the files within it, and move it to htdocs like this. Now under htdocs we will have WordPress. So what is the next thing we will have to do? Well, we go back to MAMP, open the web start page, which we already have been at. So we do like this. We go back to 888, and here you will see in the top localhost 8888. You click on WordPress. That is to start the installation. We choose English here, continue. We need to have the database name and the username. The data we have already created, the WordPress is the database name, the username, and the password is root. So let's go. WordPress, here we will write root, here we will write root, and here we don't change anything, and we don't change anything here either. Click submit, run the install, and we want to have a site title, maybe test, doesn't matter, a username to remember to go to log in. We can use this name, and here you also see you have already got a password. So this you should copy and save for later. Your email address we have here, we will click on that. Discourage, no. Install WordPress, yes, thank you. We'll click on that. No. Username you can see here, and here we will write the username again, and here we will paste the password. Now we will start the WordPress. Now WordPress is installed, and in WordPress it is easier if you have some nice plugins. So we will check which plugins we need. That the first thing we are going to do is go to add new, and the plugins we need are Elementor is a new plugin which is very good. Here you have it, Elementor Page Builder. Install now. After it is installed, you have to activate it, and then we take the next plugin. This one we don't want to keep, so we delete it. Add new. Broken link, let me see here. Broken link checker, no, it's not that one. This one we want to have, broken link checker. Install now. You can read about the plugins on their web page, or you can read it here. Now we will, you see here more details. There you can read about it. The next is called SEO, friendly images. No, sorry, I have to click new, add new first. We try again. SEO, friendly images, and here we have it. That is also a very good plugin you could have, I think, if you want to have many photos on your web page. So we will activate that. The next plugin, it is called Easy Updates Manager. Here we have that. Click install. And activate. The next is called Google Analytics. No, you don't need that one. I think you don't need that one. But you need Google XML sitemaps. That helps to speed up your web page or your post, so we will install that too. And activate. The next one we want to add is called Huge IT Responsive Slider. That creates stunning sliders on your web page or post if you are interested in that plugin. So we will try to find that. Huge IT Responsive Slider, and here we have that. Huge IT is the creator. We install it, we activate it, and the next plugin is a nice plugin if you want to have, for example, photos as a gallery on your blog or web page. It's called Next Gen Gallery. And there we didn't have it. Let me see what I missed here. Yes. No, I think we'll find it. Here it is actually. I missed it. I think they changed the logo or something. But this one is this plugin you want to have if you want to have photos on your web page. So we activate that plugin too. Let me see how many plugins we have now. Oh, no, we don't want to do that, so we skip that. We go to the plugins, install plugins, and let me see here which we have. The next one we want to have is WP Fastest Cache, so we add new again. WP WP Fastest Cache, and there we have that one. That is with the beautiful animal there. And we activate that plugin too. Then I think we have one or two more plugins which can be interesting to have. One of them is WP Smush. We have it there. It's from WPMU. Install now. And activate. So WP Smush is installed. We check the plugins again here. There's one more you might need. I don't think you need it because I think Elementor has this, but to be sure I will show you this plugin. It is called, let me see, no, I don't upload, I want to add new. So we go to add new. Alright, they want me to try again here. Add new. And we will search for social share WordPress plugin, and this is this one we want to have here. This one gives you the possibility to create icons, for example for YouTube, Facebook, Twitter and so on. So we install that too, to be sure here. I think you'd maybe not need it because I think it's included in Elementor, but it is only to go back here, deactivate the plug you don't want to have and delete it. So here you can see all the plugins we have installed. So now it's only to start with your web page. I don't show how to do a web page or a blog here with WordPress because there are many YouTube videos which will show you how to do this. So thank you for watching.